In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sections inside Asana tasks. This is a handy trick to help you organize your tasks more effectively, ensuring everything stays neat and easy to manage. Whether you're a seasoned Asana user or just starting out, understanding how to customize your workspace can greatly enhance your productivity. To begin, open the task where you want to add sections. This could be any task where you think more detailed organization is needed. Once you've located and selected the task, the next step is scrolling down to find the subtasks section. This is where you'll insert your new sections. Visualize the subtasks section as a blank canvas, waiting to be divided into distinct categories. Next, you'll use a simple keyboard shortcut to create these sections. The magic combination here is Tab plus N. Press these keys simultaneously, and you'll notice a new section is created among your subtasks. It's a quick step but incredibly effective for dividing subtasks into smaller, more manageable parts. After you've conjured your new section with Tab and N, it's time to give it a name. Think about the categories or headings that would best organize your subtasks. Simply click where prompted and type in a name that clearly describes the content or theme of the tasks that will go under it. It's your chance to tailor the structure to match the workflow or project goals you have in mind. By assigning names, you're creating a more intuitive layout that will make it easier not only for you, but for anyone else involved in the project to find relevant information quickly. Effective labeling reduces time searching for specific items, which means more time getting actual work done. Creating sections is a bit like setting up folders within your tasks. Just as you would organize your files on a computer, organizing your subtasks with sections helps streamline your processes. Each section acts as a mini project within the larger task, allowing more precise tracking of progress and deadlines. Once you've mastered creating sections within tasks, you'll start to notice how much smoother project management becomes. Your tasks will not just be lists anymore, but categorized bits of work, clearly defined and bordered for maximum efficiency. This will ultimately lead to better time management and less stress as your workload becomes more structured. Remember, Asana is a tool meant to adjust to your organizing style, and the more you personalize it, the more you get out of it. Keep experimenting with naming conventions and organizational techniques until you find the perfect setup for your needs. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!